In this video instruction, you will learn how to crochet string leaf with seed beads. For demonstration, I made two exact leaves of different colors. I will be using a ball of variegated yarn, crochet hook and seed beads. The seed beads are large, transparent and not outright. Before the work with thread beads on the working yarn. Begin the work by making a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is foundation chain. Make a chain more. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook and make a single crochet into this stitch. Then single crochet 5 more into the next chain stitches. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have just made 6 single crochet stitches. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch by making a slip stitch. A chain of 2, 1, 2. Insert the hook into the stitch that we made a slip stitch into. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 1 and 2 by making double crochet. Chain 2, yarn over to work with double crochet. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet, like this. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 2 times. And repeat again. Chain 2, yarn over to work with double crochet, insert the hook into front top loop, then into the side loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, 1 and the second one. Chain 3, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first ring, pull up a loop to the level of 3 chains. We need to do 3 times, in total should be 4. First is done, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next ring, pull up a loop and repeat 2 times. 1 and 2. It should be 3 times in total. Continue. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next ring. We need to do 3 more times into this ring. Let's start. 1, 2 and make the last one. Continue the work. Yarn over the hook, pull through 2 first loops, like this. At this point, we join seed beads. Draw beads. Yarn over the hook behind the bead and pull through 2 loops 9 times. Repeat again. It was the first one. Let's make the second one. Draw a bead. Yarn over the hook behind the bead, pull through 2 loops. It is the third one, 4th, 5th. Draw a beads, take a seed bead, yarn over behind seed bead and pull through 2 loops. The 5th one, the 6th one, the 7th, the 8th one, and make the last one the 9th. We have 2 loops on the hook. One side of the leaf is ready. Let's make the other half leaf. While you turn the work, remove the hook and insert it into these 2 loops from the other side, like this. We don't need these loops to be twisted. I'm going to work with this side. Yarn over the hook, pull up a loop 4 times in the first string. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then repeat. Yarn over, pull up a loop 3 times into the next string. 1, 2, 3. Continue. Yarn over, pull up a loop 3 times into the next string. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through 2 first loops. Draw some seed beads. Yarn over behind the bead and pull through 2 loops 9 times. Make the first one. Let's make the second one. The third. The fourth. The fifth. Draw some beads. The fifth. The sixth. The seventh one. The eighth. And make the ninth one. We have 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. We have got a beautiful string leaf, and let's make the picot for this leaf. Draw some seed beads, turn the work, make a chain with bead, then 2 chains with bead more, 1, and make the second one. Then insert the hook into some 3 strings, like this, by making a slip stitch. Our leaf is made. You should cut off the yarn. For the example, I made of leaf cotton yarn. Here how it looks in blue color. As you can see, this leaf is double-sided. For example, I made the exact sleeve of cotton yarn in blue color. Here how it looks. To see how to make flower for this sleeve, follow Crochet Flower tutorial 168. Thanks for watching.